Welcome to our channel Bright Maths. We are going to solve the linear equations in three variables. So here see the problem, solve the following system of linear equations in three variables. Three equations are given. These are called linear equations. So if we have only x, y, z terms, that is called linear equation. If we have square terms, then that is called quadratic equation. So see the word linear equation means only single variables like x, y, z. And here three equations are given, and also the equations are given in three variables. We say that x, y, z are variables. And we know that solve means we have to find the values of x, y, z. You take the first equation, x plus y plus z equal to 5. And take the second equation, 2x minus y plus z equal to 9. And take the third equation, x minus 2y plus 3z equal to 16. We denote the equation numbers within bracket like this. And now the method is that if three equations are given, then we have to cancel any one variable first. We can cancel any one variable, either x or y or z. And after getting the two equations, again cancel any one variable and get the another variable answer. So here I am going to cancel the y term. So now adding the first two equations, 1 plus 2. If we add the first two equations, y minus y get cancelled. So we get x plus 2x, 3x. z plus z, 2z equal to 5 plus 9, 14. Take it as equation 4. Similarly, we have to cancel the y term only in the equation 3. So in that equation we have y term like this, minus 2y. So multiply the first equation by 2. Then only we can get 2y here. After that we can cancel the y term. So equate the terms and cancel. First equation multiply by 2. And note that equation we have to write within bracket. So first equation into 2. That implies this is the first equation. Full equation we have to multiply by 2. That is 2x plus 2y plus 2z equal to 5 into 2, 10. Take it as equation 5. Now from these two equations 3 and 5 we can cancel y term. Adding this 3 plus 5, x plus 2x, 3x. And this minus 2y plus 2y cancelled. 3z plus 2z, 5z. Right hand side 16 plus 10, 26. Take it as equation 6. So now we cancelled y terms and see the equation 4 and 6. We have the terms x and z. And here note that we have the same term 3x, 3x. So we can cancel the x term and then we can get the value of z. Subtracting this, equation 6 minus equation 4. 3x minus 3x cancelled. 5z minus 2z, that is 3z. Right hand side 26 minus 14, that is 12. This implies z equal to 12 divided by 3, that is 4. So we get z equal to 4. If we get any one variable, then substitute that value and we can get the other variables very easily. So put z equal to 4 in fourth equation. So this is fourth equation. 3x plus 2 into 4, 8 equal to 14. This plus 8 take right side, minus 8. 14 minus 8, 6. So we get 3x equal to 6. Therefore x is equal to 6 divided by 3, that is 2. Now put x is equal to 2 and z equal to 4 in first equation. That is x value 2 plus y plus z value 4 equal to 5. This 2 plus 4, 6. Plus 6 take right side, minus 6. 5 minus 6, minus 1. So y value minus 1. Finally take and write the answer. X is equal to 2, y equal to minus 1 and z equal to 4. And here note that we can check the answer. So in all the solved problems, after getting the answer, if you want, we can check it. So substitute in any one of the given equation and check the answer. Check it in the first equation. X plus y plus z equal to 5. So if you put x is equal to 2, y minus 1, z 4, we get 2 minus 1 plus 4. 2 minus 1, 1. 1 plus 4, 5. So the equation is satisfied. Therefore our answer is correct. We can check it in any one of the given equation. Next problem. Solve the following system of linear equations in 3 variables. Here 3 equations are given. The equations are given in reciprocal form. So we take 1 by x equal to a, 1 by y equal to b, 1 by z equal to c. So therefore the first equation can be written as 1 by x is a minus 2 into this divided by y can be taken as b. So this is minus 2b plus 4 equal to 0. Take it as equation 1. Similarly, this second equation can be taken as 1 by y b minus 1 by z c plus 1 equal to 0. Take it as equation 2. Next, third equation, 2 into 1 by z is c, that is 2c plus 3 into 1 by x is a. So this is 3a equal to 14. Take it as equation 3. Now we solve for a, b, c, and finally taking reciprocal we can get the values of x, y, z. And for solving we have to cancel any one letter only first. So here I am going to cancel b first. So second equation multiply by 2. Second equation multiply by 2. Then only we can get 2b. Because in first equation we have the term 2b. So that is why we multiply second equation by 2. So we get 2b minus 2c plus 2 equal to 0. Take it as equation 4. Now adding 1 and 4, we can cancel the term b. So 1 plus 4. implies a, here minus 2b plus 2b cancelled, and then we have the term minus 2c, add the number 4 plus 2, that is 6, equal to 0. And this can be written as a minus 2c equal to this plus 6, take right side minus 6. Take it as equation 5. Now we can solve the equations 3 and 5. So the equation 3 we have the term AC. So in 5 also we have the term AC. We can cancel any one letter, and here see that we have 2c and here also 2c. So adding this we can cancel this term. That is 3 plus 5 implies 2c minus 2c cancelled. We get 3a plus a, that is 4a. Add the right hand side 14 minus 6, that is 8. So this implies a equal to 8 divided by 4, which is equal to 2. So a value 2. Put a equal to 2 in third equation. That is 2c plus 3 into 2, 6, equal to 14. This plus 6 take right side minus 6. 14 minus 6, 8. So 2c equal to 8. Therefore c equal to 8 divided by 2, that is 4. And then put c equal to 4 in second equation. We can get the value of b. So in this second equation, b minus c value 4 plus 1 equal to 0. That is b minus 3 equal to 0. This minus 3 take right side plus 3. So we get b equal to plus 3. And finally take and write all the values. So we have got the values of a, b, c. But in the question we are given the terms x, y, z. So we have to write the final answer in terms of x, y, z. So just take reciprocal and write the answer. A equal to 2, b equal to 3, c equal to 4. Taking reciprocals, we get the answer x is equal to 1 by 2, y equal to 1 by 3, z equal to 1 by 4. So this is the final answer. Here also we can check the answer. We can substitute this x, y, z values in any one of the given equations and we can check the answer. Take the first equation. Put x is equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 1 by 2 taking reciprocal 2. And then 2 by y value 1 by 3 taking reciprocal 3 into 2, 6. So we get 2 minus 6, that is minus 4 plus 4 equal to 0. So the first equation satisfied, therefore our answer is correct. We can check it in any one of the equation. Thanks for watching.